Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning time and we have discussed about what is half past and what is quarter to and what is quarter past. And we have solved exercise number 11.2 in our previous video and our online classes and offline classes. So children, today we are going to start our next exercise that you can find on page number 161, children, in your perfect compositive mathematics book. So please turn over your page, and this is your 161 number page, chapter number 11, and your exercise name is exercise 11.3. And we have already done that reading time in hours and 5 minutes correctness. So we have already discussed, and I have shown clock also. So I am going to show you clock once again. So here children, you can see this is your bigger hand, this is called minute hand, and this is your shorter hand and it is called hour hand. So if your shorter hand is at 6 and if it will move to the 1, so what we will say, that is, what is the time in this clock? This is 6:05. It means we have already discussed that in each and every numbers in between you will get 5 minutes. Okay, so if it is 12, say it is moved to the 5, so it will become 12:05, and if it is moved to the 2, so it will become 6:10, or if it will move to the 3, so it will become quarter past. Okay, so if it will move to the 4 and the shorter hand is at 6, so this is 6:20. Okay, and if it will move to the 5 number, okay, this 5 number, so it is called 6:25. Okay, it means 6 past 25 minutes. Now here half past 6. Now here children, 6 past 35 minutes, 6 past 40 minutes, quarter to 7. Now here 6:50, here 6:55. Okay, now here it is 7 o'clock. Okay, so like this we will measure the number and we will tell the time. So children, let's start doing our 11.3 number exercise. It is based on that. So children, this is exercise number 11.3. 11.3. Okay, now first is read the time on each of the following watches and write in the box. Read the time. Read the time. Read the time on each of the following watches. Okay, following watches and write in the box. And write in the box. Okay, this is your first question of 11.3, children. So here children, first is already done. Now we are going to do the second clock. So I will show you in this clock also. So this is the shorter hand is at 4 and your you just draw this. I'm going to draw on the board also. Okay, now the next clock is at, the shorter hand is at 4, and here children you can see 4 is already done, or you can say that this is 4 o'clock. After 4 o'clock, it is past 10. So this is 10 minutes past 4. It means, so how many minutes were passed? Now here you can say 5 and 5 is 10. Okay, so this is 10 minutes past 4. You just write down the first answer. 10 minutes past to 4. This is your answer. 10 minutes past to 4, children. Now it means this is, in other way you can write like this also. This is 4:10. This is 4:10. Now here, children, you can see your shorter hand is at 4 and your bigger hand is at 2. So it means this is 4 o'clock, and after 4 o'clock 10 minutes is over. So this is called 10 minutes past 4. Okay, children. So you just draw this clock. Okay, draw this clock and write down the answer. 10 minutes past to 4. So draw this clock and write the correct answer. This is 4:10. Okay, children. Now our next clock is, I'm going to show you, that is near in between 7 and 6, and this is the bigger hand at 4. So here, children, if you can see, this is written 20. It means this is 20 minutes past 2. This is 20 minutes past to 6. Okay, so this is 20 minutes past to 6. Okay, so here we will write, now this shorter hand is in between 6 and 7. Okay, so this is 20 minutes past to 6. 20 minutes past to 6. So this is 6:20, children. This is 6:20. Okay, write it down or draw this. Now this is 6:20. Now our next question we are going to write. So you just write down 20 minutes past to 6. This is 6:20. Now our second question we are going to start. Our second question, that is, write the name in 2 ways. Write the time. Write the time in 2 ways. In 2 ways. Write the time in 2 ways. Okay, children? Now, children, here you can see the first clock. This is 40 minutes past 6. Okay, it is already drawn 40 minutes past 6. It is already drawn in your book. So we are not going to draw on the board, as well as I am not going to show. So I will show this. This is 40 minutes past. It means here you can see this is 20. Now 25. This is half past 6. Now here, children, the bigger hand will be moved to the 8 and the shorter hand will remain at 6 and 7. So this is 40 minutes past. It means here you can, children, you can say this is 30 minutes, this is 35 and this is 40. So this is 40 minutes past 6. It means this is 6:40. Okay. So children, it is already drawn. So I'm going to show you the next one that we are going to do. That is, the shorter hand is at 2 and 3, in between 2 and 3, and your bigger hand is at 9. Okay, this is in between 1 and 2. So children, this is called quarter to 2. Okay, quarter to 2, it means here that is 15 minutes left. 15 minutes, or you can say 50 minutes are left to become 2. But here we are going to write that is 45 minutes past to 1. Okay, it means here this is 1:45. It means this is quarter to 2, but it is considered as in the minutes, so this is 1:45. Okay, this is draw this and write the answer also. Write it down. 15 minutes past to 1. This is 1:45. So complete it, children. Okay, complete this. Now children, we are going to do our next number, that is our shorter hand is in between 2 and 3 and our bigger hand is at 11. Okay, so this is 2 minutes, 5 minutes are left to become 2. Okay, but we will write in the minutes. So what we will write, children, this is 50 minutes past 1. It means this is 1:55. It means 50 minutes are past, okay, and 5 minutes are left to become 2. So this is 1:55. It means 50 minutes past 1. This is 1:55. 55 minutes past. Okay, so write it down. How it is possible? So here children, you can see that 1:05, 1:10, 1:20, 1:15, 1:20, 1:25, 1:30, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45, 1:50, 1:55. So 5 minutes are left to become. So complete it, children. Okay, complete this and draw this. Okay. Now children, turn over the page. We are at 162 number page and we are going to start third number question. Okay children, so write it down, third number question. Second we have completed. Third, the third number question is the minute hands of these watches, the minute hands of these watches have fallen down. Have fallen down. Draw the minute hand. Draw the minute hand. Draw the minute hand. Minute hands so as to show the correct time. The correct time. Okay. So now children, we are going to start this one. Now first one is 8:20. 8:20. Okay, the time is 8:20 and we have to show in the clock also. So first we will draw the clock to show the time. This is 12, this is 9, this is 3, this is 6. Now we will draw 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Now here children, you can see the minute hand is fallen off. So here the hour hand is shown over here and minute hand has fallen off, and we have to show 8:20. So now children, we are going to draw over here one line. This is shows 8:20. Okay, this is shows 8:20. This is 8:20. Okay, now our next watch that we are going to draw over here children, that is here it is going to show over here 6:50. 6:50. So here children, how can we show this? That is 12, this is 9, this is 3 and this is 6. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay. So now here children, we are going to show this. See here children. Okay. Now here you can see we have to show 6:50, and here our hand is already drawn. Our hand is already drawn and we have to show the minute hand. Now this is 6:50. It means 6:50 we are going to start, that is 30, 40 and 50. We have to write down or draw over here bigger hand. Okay, this is minute hand and this is 6:50. Okay, this is 6:50. Okay children, so draw this clock in your book. Okay, 8:20. Now the next clock I am going to draw over here. This is center point 12, 9, 3 and 6. Now here children, you can see that is the shorter hand is already drawn, that is in between 2 and 3, and you have to show 2:25. The time you are going to show, that is 2:25. So here children, 2:25, it means it is about, we are going to draw our minute hand at 2:25 because it is going to be 2:30. So that is why we will write over here 2:25. 5 minutes are left to become 2:30. It means this is 2:25. Okay. So draw this children. Now the fourth one I am going to draw over here, and we have to show here the time is 9:05. 9:05 we have. Now children, we will draw once again this clock. Okay. Now 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay. We are going to show children. Now here children, you can see the shorter hand, or you can say the hour hand, is at 9, and we have to show the 9:05. So here children, you can see we are going to draw this 5. Okay. So this is 9:05. Okay. So draw this. 5 minutes is over to become 9. It means 5 minutes over, 5 minutes past 9. 9:05. Okay. 5 minutes past 9. So completed children. This we have done. Now the next question is question number 4. Match the watch with the correct time. I think you will do this by yourself because time is already given. You have to only and only just match it. So I'm leaving this question, you just complete it as a homework, that is match the watch and correct, show the time. Now the fifth question, because it is quite tough, so now we will do the fifth question. Read the first clock, write the time and draw hands in next clock. Okay, so first of all I'm going to erase just these few clocks. 3 clocks I required, so I just remaining over here. Now here at first clock, that is fifth number question, I am going to write over here. Okay children, fifth question. The clocks are already drawn, so there is no need to draw again. So I'm just leaving this, I have erased this. Now fifth question, read the first clock. Read the first clock. Read the first clock. Okay, read the first clock, write the time. Write the time and then draw hands, and then draw hands, and then draw hands in the next clock. In the next clock. Okay. Now read the first clock, write the time and then draw the hands in the next clock. Now here children, I am going to draw the first clock. This is the shorter hand is at 7 and the bigger hand is at 2. Okay, it means this is 7:10. This is 7:10. It means 10 past 7. It means 10 minutes past 7. Now we have to draw over here 1 hour later. 1 hour later. So children, as you all know children, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So we have to draw over here, that is 7:10. So we have to write over here. We will draw at 8 and this is 8:10. 8:10. Okay, this is 8:10 because 1 hour later. Now here children comes back home now 3 hours later. So here the time is already given. Gets up in the morning. Gets up in the morning. This is your time to gets up in the morning. Now 1 hour later goes to school. Goes to school. And because the last one clock that we are going to show that come back home, comes back home, इतने बजे इतने टाइम पर आप घर आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, इतने बजे आपका उठने का टाइम है. This is the time to get up. Now here the time to go to school, and the next time, that is 8:10, is time to go to school. Now here we are going to draw over here after 3 hours, because this is all quite a short time we are following. So that is why this is 3 hours. Only 3 hours the school is running. So that is why here it is shows that we have to draw 3 hours later. है ना, 3 hours later. So 3 hours later. Okay. So because here it is 8, so 9, 10, 11. So we will draw over here 11, the shorter hand, and here the bigger hand as 2. So this is 11, 10. 11, 10. 3 hours later, that is 11, 10. So children, complete these 3 clocks. This is the time to come to school. Okay, goes to school. This is the time to get up in the morning. And now here 3 hours later come back home. It means आप घर वापस चले जाते हैं. तो ये तीनों क्लॉक आप ड्रॉ कर लीजिए. 5th क्वेश्चन हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है बच्चों. और अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे, जिसमें कि आपको look at the watches on the left and write the correct time to complete the sentence. So we will do in our next video and class. So we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.